Hi everyone, we're going to be making springtime linguine. So the first thing I did was to cook a 16-ounce box of linguine, following the package directions. And I'm setting that to the side. I'm going to drain it in a bit. I've also toasted 1 cup of chopped walnuts. And the way I did this was in a small frying pan over medium heat. I heated up the walnuts, stirring them constantly for about 4 to 5 minutes. In a large skillet, I heated up 3 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter over medium heat. I'm going to add some seasonings to this now. This is 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and 1/4 teaspoon of regular paprika. This is a 1/2 teaspoon of Italian seasonings and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. And we're going to heat this all up for about 1 minute. And now I'm adding 2 cloves of minced garlic. I'm going to stir this in and heat it up for about 30 seconds. I don't want to heat it up too long and burn the garlic. I'm adding in 3 cups of sugar snap peas. These are stringless. I've washed them and patted them dry. I'm going to stir this and toss them around and coat them. I'm going to cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes. I want them tender but crisp. So now I'm adding in the juice of 1 whole lemon. Stir it around. I strained my pasta and I reserved 1/4 cup of the liquid just in case I need it. And I've added it to my pan and I'm stirring this around and mixing it right now. This is a 14.5-ounce jar of marinated artichoke hearts, and I've drained them and I've chopped them up very lightly. We're going to add this in and gently stir it. At this point, if it is too dry, I'd add a little bit of the pasta water for my linguine. And I'm also going to taste it, see if it needs any more salt or pepper. So I sprinkle the top with feta cheese and walnuts, and there is my springtime linguine. I hope you guys like my video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for watching.